Hi guys, my name is Mallory and welcome back to my channel, Mallory Jane Creates. And today I'm going to be making another coaster, and I got this one at the dollar store, and I'm going to do this very same thing. I'm just going to sand down the front. As you can see, it's shiny. I need to get all that off, and then I'm going to sand the sides down again. It would be a lot easier, it seriously would be a lot easier if you just went to like Lowe's or Friedman's or any store like that and got a white tile, because they honestly are really cheap, but this is what I have on hand. And instead of buying new ones, I figured I might as well recycle this one. Anyways, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so now that this is totally sanded down, there's some shiny parts on it, but for the most part, I did get all the gloss off. So I'm just starting off with Rust-Oleum's. It is a paint and primer, and this is in flat white. And I'm starting off just a little bit, because if you put too much on, you'll get, runs on it, and it just won't look very good. I'm making sure that I am getting the sides as well on all four sides. And then I'm going to let this dry for about 15 minutes. And I'm doing the same thing here, and just making sure to get the top really well, and then I'm going to get all four sides. So here I had already had my piece of painter's tape already cut, and I'll be cutting a few more pieces. And I'm going to be covering almost the entire coaster except for the very corner, because I'm going to be spray painting that corner gold. I wanted this to mostly be white with just like a little pop of gold on it. And here I'm just showing you guys that I got a smaller piece of painter's tape, and I'm just covering the very edge right there. And here I'm just showing you that I'm going to be covering another piece of the coaster with some painter's tape, because like I said, I wanted most of this to be white and only the corner gold. And the reason for this is my writing, because I am going to write on this piece, my writing's going to be in gold. And now I'm going to be taking my Ace Hardware mirrored gold color spray paint and just spraying that very corner very lightly the first time. And then I'm going to let this sit, like I said, for about 10-15 minutes. And then this is me just going over it a second time so I can really get that cover. And here, guys, I'm just pulling the painter's tape off, or what I thought was painter's tape. It actually ended up being duct tape that looked like painter's tape, and my painter's tape was sitting right beside it, so I just kind of got them confused, which is why it stuck, which is why in this next clip, I'll be covering the gold with the painter's tape, and then I'm just using the Rust-Oleum white to go back over that and cover up the marks. And here, guys, we're going to start with some gold acrylic paint that I have in my Cold Stone leftover ice cream container. And I was going to do a saying on here like water or coffee, but I ended up not doing that, and I ended up starting to draw a palm tree. Or, well, I drew the palm tree as best as I could draw a palm tree. It did come out pretty good, though. And here I'm just continuing to draw as well as I possibly can a palm tree, because I thought it would be really cute to have a gold palm tree on here. I was kind of disappointed that the gold wasn't exactly the same, and obviously I should have known that since the spray paint was actually a mirrored gold. Anyways, I still think it came out really cute. You know, for as good of an artist as I am, I love making things, but I am definitely not good at drawing things. But it still came out pretty cute, and it wasn't so bad. And sorry for the background noise. I was actually watching Supernatural yet again, and I forgot to pause the TV while I was making this, because for some reason I can't find out how to get the sound off of it unless I use Instagram. So if anybody wants to help me with that, that would be great. Anyways, I'm still drawing the palm tree, and after this I actually add some like grass type stuff that I'm about to show you here in a second. So now I'm using my Rust-Oleum clear sealer, and I'm going to use this twice, guys. I'm going to let this dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to do it again. And can you see my cute little grass plant like thingies? So I ended up adding some like grassy things. I don't know what you want to call this, guys. I don't know. And a palm tree, I thought it'd be cute. Plus, I'm going to be making some more, so if I end up not liking it, whatever. I feel like you could just leave it white and gold on the side there. It looked really good. like that. I felt like just plain like that, it totally looked like shabby chic. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video because I'm not sure exactly what you would call this. Anyways, I think it's like a super cute coaster and it's totally different. And the most important thing is that it's going to match. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe if you want to see more in the future. And please comment and let me know what you thought about this. If you like this or if you liked it better plain in the first place. I think I kind of liked it plain in the first place. Or if you do like it with the palm tree. Anyways, love you guys and till next time.